Have you ever had a great idea for an ebook? You dream of sharing your story or skills. It feels amazing, right? This ebook could build your business and make you an authority. But then, reality hits. You sit down at your computer, open a blank document, and the cursor blinks. Suddenly that brilliant idea feels very far away. The blank page is scary. This is what many writers call blank page syndrome. It's the fear of starting. You worry that your words won't be good enough. This fear can stop you before you even begin. Even if you manage to start writing, other challenges appear. You might write a few pages, but then you get stuck. This is called writer's block. It feels like your creativity has completely disappeared. You also worry about the quality. Will my ebook look professional? On top of all that, there is the biggest challenge of all time. You are busy. Finding hours to write, edit, and design an ebook feels impossible. So, your wonderful ebook idea gets put on a shelf, but what if there was a better way? A few years ago, I was exactly where you might be right now. I had so many ideas for ebooks. I wanted to share my knowledge about marketing for authors. I sat down to write full of energy and passion, but I was wrong. It was incredibly difficult. The blinking cursor on the blank page became my enemy. I would write a paragraph and then delete it. I felt like a fraud. How could I teach others if I couldn't even finish my own ebook? I knew I needed help. So I looked into hiring freelancers. The prices were shocking. To get a professional quality ebook, it was going to cost me thousands of dollars. That's when I had my big idea. What if there was a tool that could help with all of this? What if artificial intelligence could act as my writing partner, my editor, and my designer? I wanted to build something that would solve my own problem. That is how the idea for EbookFlow was born. I created it to help people like you and me finally write and publish the book we've always dreamed of. EbookFlow is designed to be your friendly guide through the entire ebook creation process. We've broken it down into 7 simple, manageable steps. You can go from just an idea to a fully published ebook in as little as 2 days. The first step is all about your idea. You tell EbookFlow your topic and our AI will help you brainstorm. Step 2 is creating your outline. EbookFlow takes your chosen ideas and structures them into a logical outline. This step gives you a complete roadmap for your ebook. Step 3 is the magic of drafting. Using your approved outline, EbookFlow's AI will help you write the content. The AI generates the text based on your unique voice and knowledge. You can edit, rewrite, and add your own personal stories and examples. The final steps are all about making your book look professional and getting it out into the world. Step 4 is editing, where the AI proofreads your entire ebook. Step 5 is design, where you can choose from beautiful templates. Step 6 is the preview, where you can see exactly how your finished ebook will look. And finally, Step 7 is publishing and marketing. EbookFlow helps you export your book and provides marketing tools. Let's be honest about the traditional ways of creating an ebook. If you decide to do it all yourself, you are facing a huge time commitment. The entire process can easily take 6 months to a year. What about hiring help? This is a great option if you have a large budget. Hiring a good ghostwriter and a professional team can cost over $6,000. Now, let's look at the EbookFlow way. Our tool is designed to give you the quality of hiring a team of professionals for a tiny fraction of the cost. Instead of spending thousands of dollars, you get access to our powerful AI platform for a small, one-time fee. EbookFlow makes professional publishing accessible and affordable for the very first time. The biggest difference, however, is time. What takes months or a year, the old way can be done in just a couple of days with EbookFlow. Our streamlined 7-step process eliminates all the waiting and roadblocks. The AI does the time-consuming work so you can focus on your ideas and expertise. Using EbookFlow is about more than just speed and saving money. It's about creating a professional asset that works for you and your brand. Our AI editor ensures your book is free of embarrassing typos and grammatical errors. When you share your ebook, people will see you as a credible, trustworthy expert. Another key benefit is that your ebook will still sound like you. The AI learns from your inputs and helps you craft content that reflects your unique voice. You can add your own stories and opinions. The AI is your assistant, not your replacement. Think about all the ways you can use your new ebook. You can use it as a powerful lead magnet to grow your email list. You can offer it as a bonus to customers or break it down into other content formats. With EbookFlow, you can create these assets quickly and test different topics. When you get EbookFlow today, you also get access to our free bonus tools. This includes an AI-powered marketing kit generator and a repurposing tool. These bonuses help you get your ebook into the hands of the people who need it most. For years, you may have dreamed of writing an ebook. You have let fear, a lack of time, and worries about cost hold you back. I am here to tell you that your turn is now. The old barriers have been torn down. Technology has created a new path, a shortcut to success, and it's called EbookFlow. The opportunity to share your voice is right in front of you. With our simple 7-step process, you can finally move from dreaming to doing. We want to make this decision as easy as possible for you. That's why we are offering EbookFlow for a special low one-time price. You pay once and you can create as many ebooks as you want, forever. This is an investment in yourself, your brand, and your future. I am so confident that EbookFlow will change the way you create content that I want to remove all the risk for you. We offer a 100% money-back guarantee. Try EbookFlow for a full 30 days. If you are not completely thrilled with the results, just send us an email, and we will refund every single penny of your purchase. You have nothing to lose and a world of opportunity to gain. Click the button below to get instant access to EbookFlow and start your journey to becoming a published author today.